Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off or disable link history saving on the Instagram mobile app. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Instagram app and select your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once you have your profile page up, select the hamburger icon in the top right. And then you want to scroll down near the bottom, but not quite that far. It should be underneath your app and media. Select app website permissions and then select browser settings. If you want to allow or enable link history, so see links in your recent Instagram in-app browser activity. Your link history may be used to improve your ads across Meta technologies. Toggle that on or off depending on your preference on there. And that's pretty much all you would have to do. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.